Fran Lab. Yeah. Oh, with this. Yes, look at this. Solar crystal. Yes, it's heavy. It's all dusty because it was at the home supply store where it's covered in cement dust. But yes, this is a desktop ornamental little ball, LED solar system light. So yes, heavy and weighted. Brighten up your room with new Aura LED solar crystal, engraved with a stylized 3D depiction of the solar system. This simple ultra-clear crystal globe confers an elegant and soft starry glow to any room, making it the perfect accent for a living room, bedrooms, yada yada yada. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like apparently. Oh, you can put it there too, along with your thingamajigs. For your hard-working desk, anyone who works really, really hard at a job has a desk that looks like that with nothing on it. 3D engraving, USB powered, ultra clear crystal. Oh yes, now 90% more transparent. Warning, I've got to read the warnings here, this might be dangerous. This product can expose you to chemicals which is known in the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects. Why is it that when you just buy like a brick, it's got to say, this contains chemicals that are known in the state of California to cause cancer? Buy a bottle of water, warning. Yeah, everything gives you cancer now, but it's big and heavy, and I thought it'd be worth taking a look. All right. Whoa. Oh. Wow, they sure went. Oh, wow, that's real glass. It's got a scrumpified manual. Oh, base. That's it. Okay. Yeah, nice base. All right. Scrunchified manual. Yeah. Introduction and features. Brighten up your room with new solar crystal. Blah blah blah. Soft yellow light, eye-catching 3D engraved, USB powered, engraved crystal globe. It's got to be a metallic crystal because I'm sure that has something to do with the ability to etch it with a laser. Had to do that for your ASMR fans. All right. Oh, warning right here. Got to show you. This bag is not a toy. I think I just proved that wrong. Oh, okay. I see. It's taped shut. Okay. Yeah, this must be a lead crystal, or at least some kind of metallic crystal. Although, I mean, they can make crystal out of potassium, other kinds of metals. That's typically what they do now for wine glasses, but I'll have to illuminate it for it to show up. But you can kind of see it in there. It's a real wooden base. 5 volts, made in China, of course. Yeah. And here you go. They look like ultraviolet LEDs that are coated in phosphor. And yeah, it's just got some dropping resistors in there. No capacitors, at least not on the top side. doing it down and dirty with a minimum of parts. And I just so happen to be prepared with a power supply. So, alright. Yep, okay. Ooh, here we go. Oh, that is really dirty. One here. It's actually so dirty it's not you can't even like see through the dirt. A little better. It's still really dirty. Okay, so lesson number 1 about the crystal celestial globe is you really gotta clean it. If it's dirty at all, it's just gonna show up. I imagine that it's probably polished. There you go. Now you can see it. Oh yeah. There you go. Whoa. That's trippy. Oh, it's got some... I guess those are going to be comets because they're not going to be shooting stars out in space. But yeah, look at that. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There you go. Yeah. So we got Sun, Mars, Mercury, Venus. Yeah, it's got some good detail in there. Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. Jupiter. And we got some stray stars, I guess maybe a satellite or two, who knows. Uranus, Neptune. It's missing my favorite planet of all. Because my favorite planet is Pluto. Lonely Pluto. But yeah, there we go. It's really cool. And you can get this. Oh. That's actually a lot of work. I like the little comet there. Yeah. And the star field. This is really nice. I mean, it doesn't really, because of the really high contrast, it actually looks a lot better in real life than it does on the camera, because the video camera, it's got a limited range of contrast between, dark to light, but when you look at it with your eye, the bright spots are very brilliant and the dark spots are much, easier to see. And there's a lot more detail in it looking at it live. You can sort of see it there. But yeah, it's more impressive looking at it straight on. I have to say, this is really nice. Looking at the monitor and looking at it in real life, the three-dimensional aspect of it is the thing. That doesn't come across on the video, because on the video it's just an image. But the three-dimensional aspect, you can see the depth of it is really what makes it amazing. It does look like it's not quite rendered right. You see here from the top, on the left-hand side here, it didn't take. You see here, it's really brilliant, and here it's just kind of fades out. So I don't know, maybe this was a result of it being dirty. If the sphere was too dirty on this side, and so we're just too diffused, because you see the details gone here in this corner. So yeah, so it's not perfect. But yeah, but for what it is, yeah, it is really the three-dimensional aspect of it. Yeah, any external lighting just makes it worse. All right, but there you go. It's actually pretty cool, I have to say. I was very skeptical about whether this would be worth it. Worth the video. I sat there and looked at this thing and I was like, do I really want another thing in the lab? But I gotta say, this is really neat. It is really neat. Okay. Alright, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all my patrons down on the Patreon. Thanks for making all these videos possible. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, yeah, if you like the crazy stuff I do, consider becoming a patron. Just follow the link in the description, I will thank you personally. Okay. That's it for this one. I'll be back doing something else somewhere in the lab real soon. In the lab. That's where I work. In the lab. Go berserk. In my lab. That's where I work. That's what you're watching. Friend Lab. That's what I'm doing. Working at the bench again.